In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change phone number and social security. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly change your phone number or any other contact information available in your social security number, card, or profile. So you have some ways to do this. You will either be able to do it online on your own, manually, or you can call one of the representatives through a phone number. So to start, if you want to do it online, all that you have to do is go over to your Social Security account page. So access ssa.gov through a web browser on your computer or your phone, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be redirected into this page. You just have to include your personal information, and you will be able to sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be able to choose My Profile at the same menu on the top of the screen, and then find your contact information. Now, as you might imagine, because this contains a lot of personal information, I cannot go over this whole process on screen, but it's as simple as clicking on My Profile after you sign into this page, and you will be able to change your phone number and a lot of other information there as well. Alternatively, if you don't like this approach, or you would like to talk to a human before proceeding, then all that you have to do is call them at any phone number that they have available. You will be able to choose replace card or any other menu, and usually there will be a phone number listed. So as you can see, this is the main phone number that they use for you to talk to one of their representatives and change your information on the card. You will be able to replace a new card, so you can request a new physical one, or you can just ask for your contact information to be updated. So call 1-800-772-1213. As long as you call this number, they will be able to assist you. They have another phone number here if you are deaf or hard of hearing, and they will be able to assist you in this whole process. You will have to provide your full social security number and other information, possibly your date of birth, and as long as you provide everything, they will be able to assist you in changing the phone number or any other additional information. Once they do it on their end, it's going to be updated for you on your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to change phone number and social security. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.